Hi everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a kawaii turtle charm using polymer clay. So let's get started. Firstly, you want to take some green clay for the shell of the turtle. I'm using this darker green that I mixed together using a few other colours. Flatten it down onto your work surface to create a dome. Now take a tan piece of clay and flatten it down the same size as the shell, and then attach this to the underside. Use one of your tools. I'm using a dotting tool to create some curved lines in the clay for texture. Flip the shell over to the green side, and now you want to use the same tool to create some hexagons all over the clay. Now take the colour clay that you would like to use for the body. I'm using this slightly lighter green clay. Roll one piece into a ball and trim some off with your blade so that you have a flat side, and then attach this to the body and blend it on. You'll then want to prepare some more balls of the green clay for the flippers and the tail. Starting off with the larger front flippers, I'm shaping mine into a flat teardrop and curving the end slightly. I also used my blade to trim some of the clay off so that I had a flat edge that I could attach on. Then you'll just want to do the same with the back flippers, except use less clay to make them smaller. For the tail, just add a little pointed piece of clay to the back of the shell. Next, take another shade of green. I'm using this more yellow toned one that I mixed, and roll out a very long coil. This is now going to get attached around the edge of the turtle shell, so you can start at the back and just work your way around. Moving on to the face, create 2 indents where you would like the eyes to go, and then add in 2 balls of brown or black clay. Add a small U shape for the mouth, and then add some cheeks using 2 balls of pink clay, or you could also dust on some pink chalk pastel powder. For a final detail, go ahead and add some spots of tan clay to the head and the flippers. Now you can go ahead and add an eye pin if you want to make it into a charm, and then bake it in your oven according to your package's instructions. After baking, I secured the eye pin with some super glue, and I also added a coat of UV resin as my glaze for extra shine and protection. And then this is what my finished turtle charm looks like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for lots more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!